Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing off my Nerf gun collection. Well, my family's Nerf gun collection. More like my sister's Nerf gun collection, but that doesn't really matter. Here's what I like to call my commando, because it looks like the Star Wars commando laser gun. Sorry that I'm taking a long time to reload. Uh-oh, jam. Sorry it jammed. Oh, that's odd. I finally got it to work. Well, I didn't know I could mag dump like that. But anyways, that's all for today, YouTube.